Hi, good afternoon. Okay, so gawa tayo ngayon ng conversion. Okay. So first, let's do work on our fraction form. Okay. Here would be our fraction form. Okay. The decimal form. And the next would be the percent form. The next would be the ratio form. Ratio form. Okay, so paano natin gagawin to? How are we going to work on this? Okay, let me check. Okay, let's say we have here 5 over 100. And then down we have 10 over 100. And then here we have 25 over 100. Okay, now, so how are you going to convert that into decimal form? Okay, so into decimal form, magiging ano siya? 0.05. Okay, pero paano ba natin ginawa yun? How did you work on it, Ate Glo? Okay, so this is it. 5 divided by 100. So in 5, how many 100s do you have? Wala. Sa 5, ilan ang 100? Wala. Okay, so you have to put point here, and then here, and then put 1 0. So 50, how many 100s? None. Another 0. So in 500, how many 100? We have 5 here. Okay, so that's it. So 0.05. Okay, now, so tingnan natin dito sa isa pa. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, here we have 10 over 100. So here we have 10 divided by 100. So sa 10, ilan ang 100? Wala. Point. Okay, so let's put 0. So 100, ilan ang 100? We have 1. Okay, and then put another 0. So sa 0, ilan ang 100? Wala pa rin. Ayun, so then, yeah. So 0.10. Okay? Okay, so let's try this one. Again, another one. So that is 0.10. And then here we have 25 over 100. So sa 25, ilan ang 100? Wala. Put point here, decimal point here, another 0 here. So sa 250, ilan ang 100? Dalawa. So 2 times 100, that is 200. Okay, so this is here, 5, and then 0. Alagay tayo ng isang 0 dito, then bring it down. So sa 500, ilan ang 100? We have 5. Okay, yan. Meron tayong 0.25. Okay, so ito na po yung sagutin nyo ha, sa decimal form. Okay, now, let's try here in percent form. So in percent form, so if this is 0.005, that is 5%. Okay, here, 0.10, that is 10%. So sa 0.25, definitely that is 25%. Okay, now, in ratio form, how are you going to fill it up? So if this is 5 over 100, we're going to write here 5 is to 100. And then here, 10 over 100, 10 is to 100. And then here, 25 over 100, that is 25 is to 100. Okay, so, ganun po, ha? Okay? Now, so, tingnan natin ngayon if we have other numbers that we would encounter. So, let's try this one. Okay. Okay, so, tingnan natin ito. We have here 1 over 4. We have here 1 over 2 or 1/2. And then we have here 3 over 4. Okay? So, tingnan natin ngayon. So, ang 1 over 4, ilan kaya ito in decimal form? Okay, so lalabas yan sa test nyo, nakaganyan, ha? Okay, so 1 over 4. So 1 divided by 4 is wala. Nothing. Okay, so point. So 1 divided by 4, that's 0. We have to put 0 here. And then, sa 10, ilan ang 4? So that is dalawa. 2 times 4 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Dagdag tayo ng 0, ibaba natin ang 0. So, that is 20 divided by 4, that is 5. Okay, so 20 minus 20, that is 0. So, ito ngayon, yung lalagay nyo dito. 0.25. Okay? Now, tingnan naman natin yung isa. Okay. Then, we have it here, 1/2. 1 divided by 2. Okay? That's point, put point. Sa 1, ilan ang 2? Wala. Sa 10, ilan ang 2? That is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, another 0 here, and then yan. Okay, so that is 0.50. Okay? So, yun ang 1/2. Ibig sabihin, 50.50. Okay, another one here is 3/4. Okay, so 3 divide by 4. So, sa 3, ilan ang 4? Wala. Dagdag tayo ng point. Lagyan natin ng point. So, 30. Sa 30, ilan ang 4? We have 7. 7 times 4, that is 28. Minus 30 minus 28 is 2. Lagyan tayo ng 0. Another 0 here. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Ayun na po. 0.75. Okay? Now, tingnan natin ngayon dito sa ating percent form. So, if this is 0.25, ito siya ngayon. It is now considered as 25%. 0.50 is 50%. 0.75 is considered as 75%. Now, sa ratio form, okay? So, if it is 1/4, so 1 is to 4. So, if it is 1/2, that is 1:2. And then 3/4, that is now 3:4. Okay. Maliwanag po ba? Okay, taas ko lang ng konti. 3:4. Okay? So, yun po yun ha. Okay, now, kung ito na po ngayon yung inyong conversion, okay? So, this is how are you going to answer your test. Okay, now, let's try muna. Tingnan natin to ngayon. What if, Ate Glo, we have 2/3? Okay. 2/3. Or we have 5/6. Or we have 1/3. Okay, so granting, these are the numbers given to you. Lumabas sa test ninyo. So, how are you going to fill it up? Decimal form, decimal form, decimal form. Okay, so 2/3. 2 divide by 3. Okay. 2 divide by 3. So, sa 2, ilan ng 3? Wala. Decimal point, 0. So, sa 20, ilan ang 3? We have 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. Okay, so 0, 20. So, 20 divided by 3 is 8. Sorry. This is now 6. So, 6 times 3 is 18. Okay? So, again, 2. Okay? So, pagka ganito po, ito na po ilalagay nyo. 0.66. Okay? And then here, we have, tingnan natin to, 0.62, no? Ito yung tinatawag natin non-terminating kasi tuloy-tuloy siya. Okay? So, this is now, 5/6. So, sa 5, ilan ng 6? Okay? So, dagdagan natin. Sa 5, ilan ng 6? Wala. Okay? Decimal point. So, sa 50 divided by 6, we have 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. Dagdag tayo na 0. 0. So, sa 20 divided by 6 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. So, again, may remainder ka ng, may remainder ka again dito ng 2. Okay? So, here we have 0.83. And then, tingnan naman natin itong 1/3. Okay? So, 1/3. We have 1 divided by 3. Wala. Okay? Lagay tayong decimal point. Decimal point. So, 10. Sa 10, ilan ng 3? We have 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Dagdag tayo ng isang 0. 0. 10 divided by 3 is 3. So, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? So, ayan. So, 0.33. Okay? Now, tingnan natin ngayon dito sa isa. Punta na tayo ngayon ng ating percent form. So, if it is 0.66, that is considered as 66%. Here, 83%. And then, here we have 33%. Okay? Now, sa ratio form, dito tayo babalik. Ang 2/3 natin is considered as 2:3. 5/6 is considered as 5:6. And then, 1/3 is considered as 1:3. Okay, so ito na po yan. Ganito po ninyo sasagutan yung inyong magiging test sa achievement test this coming April. So for the grade, so we're doing this question, lalabas ito sa mga grade 4, grade 5, and grade 6, and even sa mga higher, what you call this, higher grades, no? Okay, now, so tingnan natin to ngayon, ha? Kasi, dito sa inyong fraction form, okay, tingnan natin ngayon dito, lagay tayo ng iba pa. What if we have, okay, what if we have here 50 over 100, we have here 75 over 100, and then we have 1 over 100. Let's say, no, meron tayong ganyan. So, we have 50 over 100. So, ano yung magiging sagot ninyo? That would be 0.50. And then here, 0.75. And then here, 0.01. Paano nangyari na tiglo? Okay, tingnan natin. So, 50 divide by 100. So, 50 lang ng 100, wala. We have to put 0 here. 500 divided by 500, 100 is 1. Okay? And then you can put another 0. Okay, so yun siya. 0.50 or 0.50. Okay? Now here, ganun din. Okay? So, tingnan natin. And then here we have 75 divided by 100. Point sa 75, ilan? Wala. Sa 750 is 7. 7 times 100 is 700. Okay, so we have to minus another 0. So sa 500, ilan ang 100? Ayun. So that's it. 0.75. Okay? Now, tingnan natin naman itong isa. This is now 1 over 100. 1 divide by 100. Ilan? Wala. Okay. Lagay tayo dito ng, okay. Lagay tayo ng 0. So, sa 10, ilan ang 100? Wala. Lagyan natin ng 0 pa. So, 100, ilan ang 100? 1. Kaya, yun. 0.01, 0.01. Maliwanag. Okay? Now, tingnan natin ngayon sa ating percent form. So, if it is in percent form, if this is 0.50, this is now 50%. In 75, this is now 75%. This is now 0.01 is considered as 1%. Okay? 1%. Okay. Now, so sa ating ratio form, this would be 50 is to 100. And then 75 is to 100. And then here we have 1 is to 100. Okay? So, ito po yung ating laging paalala sa inyo, ha. So, sa mga estudyante na nahihirapan, ang lagi po nating nire-remind is this one. Ito po yung inyong panghawakan lagi. Okay? What verse in the Bible ang iiwanan sa inyo ni Ate Glo? It is in James or in Santiago 1 verse 5. Kung sino ang nangangailangan ng talino, hilingin natin sa Panginoon at ang Panginoon ay magbibigay ng lubos-lubos, sapat-sapat, at hindi manunumbat. Okay? So, if you like this video, thumbs up and patuloy po niyong isubscribe.